Good morning, children. Diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Underline that. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal length. Then we studied for rectangle more properties are. Equal length in the വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ ഏതെങ്കിലും?
Square.
Yes. All the properties of a parallelogram. Then a rectangle is therefore the square. More properties are the diagonals are perpendicular bisector for the square. That also underline. Property, page number 55. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisectors each other. If it is a parallelogram, we studied diagonals are parallelogram diagonals bisect one another. So rectangle is a parallelogram, diagonal bisect. Diagonals are equal also. Now listen, square, perpendicular bisector. All properties are there for a square. Rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, then all properties of a parallelogram. Okay, that is why page number 56 starting we did that, we go through this. What we have studied, what we have discussed, page number 56. Now, I think you got an idea about the rectangle, no, what I can say, the polygon family, then after the quadrilateral family. Which is the smallest quadrilateral? Which is the smallest quadrilateral?
Square. Triangle.
Triangle is a quadrilateral.
Polygon.
Huh? Baby polygon, baby quadrilateral. I'm not talking baby polygon, baby quadrilateral. Smallest.
Square. Square.
Okay. That means quadrilateral family, everything have four sides. We cannot say square. We can say baby all qualities are there. But polygon we can say smallest is triangle. Then all quadrilateral mean four sides. We cannot say small. But in this quadrilateral family, we can say consider as a baby because all properties of a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, everything is there for a square. Okay, now exercise 3.4. Orally we can do. All rectangles are square? Tell me yes or no.
False. No.
Okay. Suppose my question, all squares are rectangle? All squares are rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle with equal side, that means that is a rectangle. Squares are rectangle, but all rectangles are not square. Anyway, then you can do, that is homework for you. Now come to 2. Identify all quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length. Tell me.
Square. Square, rhombus.
Equal length, square and rhombus.
Rhombus.
Now what is the difference between square and rhombus?
Degree change.
That means try 90 degree. We can make a parallelogram, a rectangle. We can make a rhombus into the square. One method is there. Because you can push or pull, make it straight. Now listen here. I have a parallelogram. Here is a parallelogram. I can make a square. No, so rectangle. Make it 90 degrees. That means push it. You can use three sides. Suppose it is slanted, you can push it. Make it straight. Here also, practical, you have to do that. See, that is PQRS. It was a parallelogram. I push this one. PR, this R became Q1. Straight. 90 degree. Now, you know this will move. Nut and bolt, I lose the nut and bolt. Then this will be P dash, P1. P1, Q1, RS, I made as a rectangle. Because it was not straight. The building is not straight. We are pushing. We need 90 degrees. So it is moving like P dash, P1, Q1, RS is the rectangle. Like that, rhombus also we can make a square. Pull it, pull or push, you can make a square. Make it straight. Anyway, 4 right angles. I have all quadrant that have 4 right angles. Tell me.
Rectangle.
Only rectangle?
Square.
Square. Okay. Rectangle square. Explain how a square is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4-sided closed figure. A parallelogram. Parallelogram is opposites are parallel. That is why. A rhombus. Tell me a rhombus. Why a square is a rhombus? Why is it?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. Square means all sides are equal and angle, right angle 90 degree. That means all sides are equal. That means you are a square. Plus 90 degree means, no, all sides are in your rhombus. Plus 90 degree, that means a rectangle. Explain how square is a rectangle.
All equal sides. Rectangle.
Rectangle, all sides are equal? No.
No.
Why square is a rectangle?
Interior angle 90 degree.
All angles are 90 degree. Then
Two sides are equal.
opposite sides are equal, right? Opposite sides are equal. Here all sides are equal. That means opposite sides are equal. Okay. Fourth one homework. It is there in the book. Name the bisect each other like that. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. You study what is convex and concave. Why rectangle is a convex quadrilateral? Rectangle is a quadrilateral?
Yes.
Is rectangle is a quadrilateral?
Yes.
Is rectangle is a polygon?
Yes.
This triangle is a polygon?
Yes.
Triangle is a quadrilateral?
Yes. No.
Okay. Now explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. That means I told you in a convex quadrilateral, all angles will
All
be
diagonals are
less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree. Or we can say diagonals are inside, not outside. In a concave polygon, one angle will be more than 180 degree, more than 180 degree. And that means reflex angle. Then or some parts of a diagonals, not all diagonals, the full no, the parts of a diagonal will be outside. Now sixth one. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side. Opposite right angle, explain why O is equidistant from A, B, and C. See the figure. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. A, B, C. All of you do that. Draw it. Draw the figure. Sixth question. ABC is a right angle triangle. Draw ABC first. A, B, C. ABC. ABC is a right triangle triangle. And O is the midpoint of the side. Here 90 degree. Right angle triangle ABC. O is the midpoint of the side opposite the right angle. This means here is opposite right angle means hypotenuse. This is O. This is O. Explain why O is the equidistant from A, B, and C. We have to prove that OB is equal to or BO is equal to OA, that is equal to OC. This is the question. Why? We can, in dotted line, complete the rectangle. We can complete same triangle. That means complete the rectangle here. Now we studied diagonal properties are diagonals. What you have to prove? Now, suppose this is a diagonal, this is another diagonal. Now we are getting a rectangle. Rectangle diagonals are equal and bisecting each other. So, in a rectangle, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Suppose A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. BO is equal to OD. You have to start from rectangle ABCD. From rectangle ABCD. ABCD. BO is equal to OD. AO is equal to OC. BO is equal to OD. AO is equal to OC. Diagonal bisected. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Bisect each other. Equal and bisect each other. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. What do you have to prove? BO is equal to OA. BO is equal to OA. How can you prove? AO is equal to OC. So diagonals are equal. That means BD is equal to AC. Half of BD is equal to half of AC. That means half of BD means BO. Half of AC means AO. So we are getting right. BO is equal to OD. AO is equal to OC. Diagonal bisect each other. Then BO is half of BD. Diagonals are equal. Are you getting idea or not? കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ? എന്തെങ്കിലും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എഴുതി കാണിച്ചു തരാം. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other property വെച്ചാണ്. Isn't it? ഇതിങ്ങനെ വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ. Is a rectangle. You are getting a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a
rectangle.
That AC that is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal, correct? Diagonals are equal. Now, AC is equal to BD. Half of AC. AC, half of AC. AC by 2. Half of AC is equal to half of BC. Fully equal and half equal. 100 is equal to 50 into 2. That means 100 divided by 2. 50 is equal to 50. Half equal. 100 is equal to 50 into 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. That means it's understood. 50 half quadrant equal. That means what is AC by 2? AO. Half of AC. AO is equal to BC. That means BO. നമുക്ക് എന്താ work that is. Explain why is equidistant from A. Yeah. B and C. That means AO is equal to BO. Equal. Now, I think you understood. AO is equal to BO. Then what is OC is equal to AO. OC that is equal to AO. AO is equal to BO that is equal to OC. And we prove. I think you understood. മനസ്സിലായോ? എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ടോ? സംശയം ഉണ്ടെ പറയണം. അത്ര ഹാർഡ് ഒന്നല്ല, പക്ഷെ നിങ്ങൾ റീഡ് ചെയ്യണം, ശരിക്കും റീഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ആ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഡയഗണൽസ് equal, diagonal perpendicular bisector, diagonals equal, bisector, perpendicular, like that. എവിടെ ഈ ചാപ്റ്റർ പുതിയതായിട്ട് ചില കാര്യങ്ങളെ പഠിച്ചത് കോറിലേറ്റർ ഫാമിലി. ഡയഗണൽസ് ആണ് കൂടുതൽ ഇതിൽ വരുന്ന ഡയഗണൽസ്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. മേക്ക് വാട്ട് ചാർട്ട് ഐ ടോൾഡ് യു ടു മീ. quadrilateral family ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? quadrilateral family ആരെങ്കിലും ആ ഫ്ലോ ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കി നിങ്ങളെ സ്റ്റഡി റൂമിൽ സ്റ്റിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നേ. ഒരു ചാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് സ്റ്റിക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. ഈ അസൈൻമെന്റ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യണം, കാരണം മാർക്ക് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അസൈൻമെന്റ്. യെസ്, ഓക്കെ. Now all of you listen here. We are talking something about chapter 4, practical geometry. Write the heading, the practical geometry. All of you write the practical geometry. You know what is geometry? We studied how can you draw triangle. Write the heading, practical geometry, chapter 4. Geometry. Check the spelling of geometry. Geometry. Practical science. Practical geometry. Practical. Practical geometry. By the heading. Okay. All of you open page number 57. Page number 57, part 7. Just tell you have learned how to draw triangle. All of you know how to draw a triangle? Triangle വരയ്ക്കാൻ അറിയോ? Triangle വരയ്ക്കാൻ എന്താ കിട്ടേണ്ടത്? എന്താ വേണ്ടത് triangle വരയ്ക്കാൻ? എന്താ triangle വരയ്ക്കാൻ എന്താ വേണ്ടത്? ക്ലാസ് 7 പഠിച്ചിരുന്നു. സ്കെയിൽ വേണം, പെൻസിൽ വേണം. I know. Then പിന്നെന്ത് വേണം? സ്കെയിലും പെൻസിൽ എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ജോമെട്രി ബോക്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും. I know that. Triangle വരയ്ക്കോ? ഒരു പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വരയ്ക്കണ അത് മാത്രം പോരാ, മെഷർമെന്റ് വേണം. എന്ത് മെഷർമെന്റ് വേണ്ടത്? ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വരയ്ക്കാൻ എന്ത് മെഷർമെന്റ് വേണ്ടത്? ഒന്ന് വരച്ചു നോക്കൂ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. എനിക്കൊരു പ്രത്യേക ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വേണം. എങ്ങനത്തെ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ പോരാ. ഐ വാണ്ട് എ സ്പെഷ്യൽ കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ. ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വരയ്ക്കണം. 5 centimeter. Listen here. And 12 centimeter. Can you draw a triangle?
Yes.
Think and say. Side are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, 12 centimeter. What triangle വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Yes.
Are you sure? I am not sure.
Yes.
No, you cannot draw this triangle. If you are trying to draw this triangle, you cannot.
No.
In the triangle, you study sum of two sides. Two sides must be greater than the third side. പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Angle sum property you study sum of three angles 180 degree. After that, this year also I told sides connected. Sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ലേ? കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ സംഭവം? Yes or no? Tell me. Then I can proceed. നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ ആംഗിൾ സൈഡ്? 3 sides ഉണ്ടാവും. കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ എങ്ങനെയും ആംഗിൾ വരയ്ക്കാറ്? ഞാൻ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ 3 sides. But always sum of 2 sides will be greater than the third side. Suppose this is 5, this is 6. It must not be 15 centimeter. It may be 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 plus 6, 11 centimeter, maybe 10.8, 10.5, right? Less than 11. Alley. This is a triangle. Sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. മറന്നുപോയി, ഞാൻ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടല്ലോ അത്. ആംഗിൾ സം പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് കൊല്ലാറ്ററിൽ നമ്മൾ പോയത് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. Collateral is two triangles. one triangle 180 plus 180, that means 360. Our time according to the side, sum of three sides. No, sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. If it is 5 and 6, 5 plus 6, this is 11. 11. So this 12 not possible. You will not get a triangle. If you are drawing the triangle, no, not possible. Maybe like this something. It's not a triangle. So the sum must be greater than now 5, 6, and 4, suppose. 4 or 8 or 7, 5, 6, 7. I can draw. Now can you draw a triangle? The
Yes.
sides are 4, 6, 7. Can you draw a triangle?
Yes.
And the angular method, how can you draw? Take your geometry box and draw the triangle 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. ABC. Draw the triangle ABC. Draw the triangle ABC. 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Sides are, whose sides are 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കാം? Let me draw.
Okay.
വേഗം വരയ്ക്കൂ. Three sides are given. Draw the triangle. I want to see your method. Finish? Completed? What is the method? Tell me. ഇത് വരയ്ക്കാൻ സ്കെയിലും പെൻസിലും മാത്രം മതിയോ? സ്കെയിലും പെൻസിലും മാത്രം മതിയോ?
Divide.
ഡിവൈഡറോ? ഡിവൈഡർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു?
Divider.
ഡിവൈഡർ എന്താ ചെയ്യും? Listen here. With scale and pencil and divider, no. We need the compasses. What is it?
Compass.
Compasses. Compasses. That means plural we are using. Not compass. Compasses then. We need the compasses. Sir, why? ഇതിങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങൾ വരയ്ക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആക്ച്വലി കുറേ ടൈം എടുത്ത് ലക്കിക്കേ കിട്ടും. But use scale, pencil, and compasses also. Any line I am doing here, listen here all of you. BC. പിന്നെ സ്കെയില് പിടിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ പോയിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല, ചിലപ്പോ കിട്ടൂല, കുറെ ടൈം എടുത്ത്. അതല്ല ഇതിന്റെ മെത്തേഡ്. We need 5 centimeter. I know some are doing up here taking 5 centimeter. ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ 5 centimeter ചെയ്തൂടെ? സ്കെയിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ 5 centimeter, ഇങ്ങനെ 5 centimeter, ഇങ്ങനെ 5 centimeter എവിടെ എടുക്കും? പിന്നെ 7 centimeter ഇങ്ങനെ എടുക്കുക ജോയിൻ ആവില്ല. അതിനെന്താ ചെയ്യാ? What will do? Take the compasses and measurement 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter from the scale and B, make the center B. The pointer put here, and from here put an R. This is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Put an R. Now from C, 7 centimeter. Again, take the 7 centimeter, and here from here, and as a compass's arc of the compass, some 7 centimeter. Put another one. Now you are getting the point. Use your scale, join this point and join this point. This will be exactly 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. This is the method. When 3 sides are given, mark one side, take as a base, then bring your compasses, take an arc of given measurement 5 centimeter, and put an arc. And from here, another measure 7 centimeter, and put another arc. This arc will coincide, intersect a point. That point is A. Join that. Otherwise, don't go like that, No. You are getting the required triangle. That is what I am telling you. What you told, that is wrong. Scale and pencil, not enough. We need the compasses. After that, one included side. So what I can include the angles. Protractor we can use. You can draw. That construction last year you studied. I am not talking about that one. Now I need the collateral. Dear children, I think you understood the triangle. Is it particular last year? ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
മനസ്സിലായില്ല? മലിഹ, tell me. എന്താണ് പ്രശ്നം മലിഹാന്റെ? Yes. പറയുന്നില്ല പ്രശ്നം. Any problem, Maliha? Maliha?
Touch ആയി പോയതാ.
Stuck ആയി പോയതാ?
Touch ആയി പോയതാ.
ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായോ?
Oh.
Okay. Now I am constructing a quadrilateral. See the quadrilateral construction. All of you look the page number 58, constructing a quadrilateral. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal, first construction, 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given. First construction, that everything is there. You have to do from the textbook. When 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, first construction is in here. Construction, first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of construction. Don't worry about that. That is easy. First one. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides and 1 diagonal. All of you write it. 1 diagonal. Write it. Constructing a quadrilateral. Constructing a quadrilateral. Our heading is practical geometry. Now constructing a quadrilateral. First one. 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Four sides are given. It's a quadrilateral, it is not a parallelogram. See, after writing, look the last step. Step 4. You can read that other all thing as I described for the triangle. You know, quadrilateral means 4 triangles are, no, 2 triangles are there. Now, last step, see, you are getting PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS and PQ is equal to 4, QR, RS 5, and PS 5.5, and PR is equal to 7 centimeter. Whenever, whatever be the construction, for a quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there? How many diagonals are there? For a quadrilateral, how many diagonals are there?
2.
2 diagonals. Now here, first construction is 4 sides. 4 sides of a quadrilateral. 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. That means measurement of 1 diagonal. This is 7 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Now this is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. P, Q, R, S, P, Q, R, S. This is the rough figure. See, all construction you can see 5 elements are given. Look, 4 sides and 5, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 2 diagonals and 3 sides. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 adjacent side and 3 angles. That means again 5. 3 sides and 2 included angles. That means 3 plus 2, 5. See, for constructing a quadrilateral, a particular quadrilateral, we need 5 elements. Okay. Now, what we can do? Here, PR. You do one thing. Take PR. We can take PR diagonal. Draw the diagonal first. PR. As before, all of it is in here. PR. That means 7 centimeter. As before, take 4 centimeter, put an R. And take from R 6 centimeter, put another R. You are getting the point Q. Now from here, now look here. As a triangle, this is a triangle. We did before last year also. PQ. Now more elements are there. This is your PQR. Again, this is the base. From here, take 5 centimeter, put an arc here. From 5 centimeter, put an arc. Put a big arc because it will cut. Everywhere, this is 5 centimeter. Arc, center of the arc, the compass, the metal is here, and pens put an arc. Then from here, how many centimeter we have to take? Tell me. I took from here 5 centimeter. From here, how many centimeter? I want arc.
5.5.
Very good. From here, I am putting the arc 5.5. That means this point I can mark PRS. Join it. You got the required quadrilateral. It will be 6. It will be 4. It will be 5.5. It is 5 centimeter.
5.
You got it. It is not hard. I think you understood it. Now all of you, step 1, step 2, step 3, like that, you can check it. You can read it. What I told you, step 4. Now look at step 4. All of you, look the step 4. മനസ്സിലായോ പറയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നും കൂടി ചെയ്തു തരാം. I extended from triangle, 2 triangles. That is why I told you how can you draw a triangle. Last year concept we have extended 1 more 2 triangles using compasses, scale and pencil. Are you following or not? എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടി ലെവൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം. എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്? What is time now?
11:21.
11:23.
That means almost 10 minutes are there, doesn't matter. Because Friday. Okay. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes.
എന്റെ യെസിന് ഒരു പവർ ഇല്ലാത്തത്.
Yeah.
Okay. Now look here, look. 4.1, exercise 4.1. All of you look, exercise 4.1. First construction. ABCD. First thing is, whenever the question is there, you have to draw a rough figure, a quadrilateral. Rough quadrilateral, not a parallelogram. Draw a quadrilateral, rough figure only. Here we can draw a rough figure. Okay. Mark what is given. ABCD. ABCD. Any order you can mark, doesn't matter. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. ABCD. And doing like this. One mark is for this one construction. That means a rough figure. This part, this is the working column. You had to draw a rough figure. Consider a rough figure. Now mark the AD 4.5. Then don't do no listen me. BC 5.5 and CD 4 centimeter and AD okay 6 centimeter. After that AC correct. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Exactly same. This shape ഒന്നും നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കണ്ട. നിങ്ങൾ diagonal take diagonal as the base. Take this is 7 centimeter. AC the 7 centimeter. Now we got a here AC. You got B here. Then here also from this D you are getting. You got D here. Then you are getting the whatever be that direct. So no rectangle, no square. Don't confuse. Draw the rough figure. Always draw like this ABCD or PQRS. No need to look in this shape or distance or measurement decimal. From here you will get an idea. AC diagonal. Diagonal ആദ്യം വരയ്ക്കും. One triangle, two triangles. First construction there will be two triangles. Because diagonal opposite side. Maybe this side, maybe up, maybe down, doesn't matter. Okay. Second also jump. That also rough figure you can draw jump. Then you can proceed. Everything is given JU. Rough figure I am drawing. Don't do now, you can do that from home. Because time factor is jump. Rough figure. Second question. Rough figure is the first. Second rough figure I am drawing here. Jump. Okay. My rough figure is like this one. Always jumping. Okay. J U M P. High jump. J U. That means 3.5. U M for MP for MP or PM same thing. Don't say PM now. PM. Then PJ. That means 4.5. Then PU. Okay, fine. PU is equal to 6.5. ഇവിടെ ആദ്യം ഏതാ വരയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്? What we had to draw?
P.
Yes. Draw PU. From here 1 point, from down 1 point you are getting. You got it. Within 2 minutes you can draw that. 5 mark or 4 mark question. No need to write the steps of construction. If we are asking only. Steps of construction, I will tell you. That means what you did. Don't write, take the compasses, take the pencil. Don't write. Draw PU 6.5 centimeter. First step of construction, I tell you. First 6.5 centimeter, draw PU. Second one, P as a center, draw PJ 4.5 as the radius. Now C as the center, draw another arc 3.5. mark the pointer, put the arc, mark the point of intersection as J. Now here, again, now P as a center and draw 5 centimeter, put an arc of 5 centimeter in opposite side. Then C as the center at 4 centimeter, arc, draw another arc, UM. That it is intersection BM. Join the 4 points. That if they are asking the steps of construction. Your own way you can write, but in the textbook you can see steps of construction, figure for understanding only. Okay. Now, third one. See the third one. All of you draw that rough figure of parallelogram. More. Okay, fine. Good name. More we need. Third one. More. Third parallelogram. Now, parallelogram we have. Till now, quadrilateral. Now, parallelogram. We got the properties of parallelogram. You can apply. More. Third one. Draw the rough figure. It's a parallelogram. So draw a parallelogram. Suppose this is the parallelogram. M-O-R-E. Now mark what is given. Then mark here. MO is equal to how much? MO.
4 point.
MO is equal to how much? Yes, MO is equal to. Figure where mark. MO is equal to how much?
ERO.
Tell me how much centimeter MO?
4.5. 4.5.
4.5. Why 4.5? Because R is equal to 4.5. It is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Now, what about ME? ME is equal to
6.
Centimeter.
because equal. 6 and 6. It doesn't matter, sir. This is more. This is less. 4 is more. No, this is a rough figure only. Understand? Doesn't matter. But you can make it. If you want, you can make it lengthy, something like that. But it is a rough figure. Doesn't matter. Now, one more thing is given. What is that?
Diagonal.
EO diagonal is given. EO is equal to 7.5. Exactly same as before. Alle? Triangle diagram. Here we have to apply the property of a parallelogram. That is why. What is a parallelogram we studied?